Hi guys, welcome back to Cocktails We Can Make at Home with V's for Vino. Today we're going to do a margarita. Obviously a favorite of everybody's, but one that has very different recipes depending on where you're going. So my number one advice, no sour mix. We're making this from scratch and I suggest you do the same. So what we're going to start off with is about 3/4 ounce of lime juice. Now we're going to do about a 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. I would use this over a triple sec. The triple secs, a lot of them tend to have artificial ingredients, whereas this is a really clean orange liqueur that really works well within the cocktail. I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce, maybe a little less actually, maybe like 0.4 ounces of agave. Agave is pretty strong, so we don't want to over sweeten the cocktail. And I'm going to do 2 ounces of Casa Dragones. Casa Dragones, our friends over there, very nice, clean, beautiful Blanco tequila. And finally, let's garnish with a lime wheel. Oh. And let's garnish with a lime wheel. Beautiful. Look at that. And a proper, made from scratch margarita with Casa Dragones Blanco. Cheers.